Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Vegistaeats. Today I am going to share a recipe which is loved by my family. Buttered herb rice in baked bean sauce. So let's start. Ingredients of this recipe can be found in the description box. You can also visit my website for a printed recipe. In a pan, I am heating 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter melts, we'll add chopped garlic to this and saute for a while. Now we'll add mixed herbs. If you don't have mixed herbs, you can also use only oregano. I've used 2 teaspoons of mixed herbs here. We'll saute again for some time. Now add salt to taste. Now I'm adding 2 cups of basmati rice. You can use short grain rice or Mexican rice, any rice of your choice. Give it a good mix and keep it aside. Now in a saucepan or kadhai, take 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil heats, add chopped onions and saute till they are translucent. Now I am adding chopped garlic here and again cook for some time. Next I am adding chopped carrots, little salt as per taste, red chili powder, this is completely optional. You can use any vegetables of your choice. Now I am adding capsicum here, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. While cooking these vegetables, make sure the flame is on medium. Now I am adding hot sauce. This is approximately 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. If you don't have hot sauce, you can also use chili sauce. I am using canned baked beans here, California Garden. Now I am using half cup of sweet corn. These are frozen sweet corns. Now mix everything well. Since the beans and vegetables are already cooked, we don't need to overcook them. In a serving bowl, I'll make a first layer of the buttered herb rice. Then we will make the next layer of the baked bean sauce with vegetables. Spread everything well. And now we'll make the third layer of the remaining rice. Now I am adding grated cheese. I have taken Amul cheese over here. You can take any cheese of your choice. The quantity of the cheese can be as per your preference. Now again I'm adding some mixed herbs here. So when the cheese melts, it gives a very nice aroma. Some sweet corn for again some garnishing as well as some extra taste. This is also optional. Now we will heat this in the microwave for approximately 2 minutes on medium to high heat. Make sure you microwave this just before the serving time so that it's hot and fresh. It's done. Now I'm garnishing this with some cherry tomatoes. If you're tired of this typical biryani and pulao dishes, I think this is the best option to serve during get-togethers and parties also. It's very easy to make and tastes amazing. I hope you liked this recipe. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.